Hey guys, welcome back to Watch Me World channel. Today I'm going to be using this machine right here. It's called Dash. I got it from Winners and I'm going to be using it to make an omelette. It's basically an egg maker, so I wanted to see if it can do a proper omelette in this machine, guys. I like to buy gadgets and I like to try out new kitchenware just to see and make my job easier in the kitchen. And I like when the food comes out perfectly, and sometimes when you're making an omelet on the stove, it doesn't always fold out right. So I'm gonna see if this can make a mini omelet. So first off, I'm gonna be using spam. So I did add a little slice of spam into the egg maker, and now I'm just going to be whisking my egg, just preparing it to go into the egg maker. So while the spam is cooking, it did take roughly about 3 minutes, and it didn't burn. It just cooked evenly right throughout using the machine. I am going to also cut up the vegetables to be in the machine while the spam is cooking, just so that it can cook within the same time, and I don't want it to take too long, guys. So I am going to be adding in some scallion or green onion, whichever one you have. Then I'm going to be adding in some green peppers as well, just a little bit, because as you can see, the machine is small. It does get hot really fast, so you want to make sure that you are checking it periodically. What I noticed with the machine as well is that it doesn't burn. Like, it didn't burn the veg while I covered it up, so that's a good thing there. I did add some butter onto the machine too, so that the spam can cook properly, as well as the veg, and add a little flavor to your food, right? So now I just added in the sweet peppers, and now I'm just gonna flip it. You don't have to flip it if you cover it out, but because I'm adding additional stuff in there, that's why I'm flipping it over, because I'm opening it up. You're supposed to basically put your egg in, leave it sealed for about 3 minutes, and then open it. Your egg's done. But I'm repurposing this machine to make an omelette. So let's see how it works out, guys. So now I'm just going to be cutting up my tomatoes, my spinach, and then I'm going to get ready to take out the spam. Once I take it out, I am going to cut it up into smaller pieces. Now I'm going to add on my tomatoes. And after I add my tomatoes on, I will be adding in the egg once I mix that all together, because omelette, you want it fully stacked and you want everything in, neatly inside of the egg. So now I'm just going to be mixing it all out, and then I am going to be pouring on the egg. Now, guys, I do suggest using a wooden spatula or any kind of wooden or plastic material, because you don't want to scratch up your machine. I know you saw me using the fork here, but it's better to use something wooden. So now I'm adding on my spinach, and also I'm going to cut up the spam into smaller pieces and just lay it all out. You can use any meat for your omelet, guys, but I wanted to try the spam with the omelet. So now I am going to be adding on more of the spam, and then adding on some cheese. Once I add on the cheese, guys, I am going to cover it up, and then that will cook for about 2 minutes. And then after that, I will get ready to eat. So, guys, I do give this machine, I would say, a 9 out of 10. I don't mind it. Like, it's good. It's the only thing, it's small. Of course, it's just for one person, and that's why I bought it too. But I'll give it a 9 out of 10. It did the job. So now I'm just going to be flipping just to go on the other side, making sure that cooks nicely. And I did use my spatula to kind of squeeze it down, make sure that the egg is cooked evenly in, because this is not what the machine is for. The machine is for doing just a fried egg. So I am pushing it a little bit with this machine, but it did the job, guys. And I'm just going to be pairing this with a slice of toast. I did crush the avocado and just use it as a spread for my bread. And now I'm going to be adding that to my plate, guys, and then getting ready to eat that all up. I do believe that the egg maker did make the omelet really well. And especially if you're wanting to, make mini omelettes and want it perfectly out, I would recommend this machine. It's called Dash, and I purchased it from Winners. So go ahead and check it out, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. See you soon.